Before we get started, make sure that you have the SpeedyDock app downloaded on your phone. With this app, you will be able to quickly request and track boat launches at Larsen Marine. It can be found in the App Store of both Apple and Android devices. To find it, search for SpeedyDock. Then select Install. If you are an in-out service customer at Larsen Marine, we will send you an email to activate your SpeedyDock account. Use the link provided in the email to set a username, password, and complete your registration. You may choose to link your SpeedyDock account with either a Google or Apple account, or you may also set up a standard account by setting a custom username and password. Once you have finished registering your account, you will then be able to schedule to launch your boat. To get started, click Schedule Launch. Make sure the correct boat is selected to launch. Then pick a launch destination. If you are looking to get some work done on your boat while it is on the hard, select Work Rack. Otherwise, select Water to enjoy a fun day of boating. Once you have picked a launch destination, select your desired launch date and time. After that, select your expected return date and time. For both, you may select any time during our normal hours of operation. Lastly, if you have any special instructions, list them in the notes section. We will accommodate your request to the best of our ability. Once you are satisfied with the details of your launch, click the Create button. And just like that, your launch is scheduled and you're ready to go. You can see your upcoming launches on your main dashboard. If you have any questions about this software, feel free to contact us at Larsen Marine. We can be reached at 847-336-5456. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Happy boating!